Yum, yum.
No,
Pork menudo. Make your own.
And don't forget to ring the bell and subscribe, guys. The ingredient of our menudo, that in Spanish means small, in this case it just refers to how we cut the vegetable and the meat in a small pieces.
250 grams of pork liver. 1 kilo of pork legs in cubes.
2 carrots, of course we will cut it in cube as well, same of the meat. 2 potatoes. Bell pepper, we use the trio multicolor for the color, 1 each. And the most important ingredient of this amazing recipe.
Tender, juicy hot dog with cheese.
With cheese.
So it depends on you on how many you want to put. We can put 5 or 6.
With cheese. And I need to show you those, the famous Filipino hot dog that we was using to do the spaghetti hot dog recipe. You can check in our blog, but now we use it again for the menudo. We remove it from the skin, the plastic skin, and still a red, impressed, look at that. And don't forget to buy the original, because the recipe will change a lot. And green peas, we will use 1 cup.
250 grams of raisins. This is optional, but it's traditional. And of course, onion and garlic.
No.
Again!
Onion and garlic.
And of course, garlic, like 5 to 6 cloves, and onion. Onion can be the red one, white one, or the yellow one. For today, we will use the yellow one.
For the tomato, we have a lot. We will use 1 fresh tomato for sauté, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste.
So looking for a tomato sauce, of course, we have a lot of Filipino brands. But for me, I prefer this one, this Hunt's tomato sauce.
1 cup of tomato sauce, Filipino style. Very nice. For the marination, our meat need to marinate at least 10-15 minutes.
We need this beautiful, fresh calamansi.
And that's the original, that's the calamansi. Don't buy something different. Filipino just use calamansi.
2 tablespoons. Soy sauce, 1/4 cup.
For this recipe, you need to have this, the measuring spoons, cup, 1/4 cup, and whatever. I will put the link in bio. This is coming from Amazon. 1 kilo of pork leg. You're supposed to use shoulder. We couldn't find. Pork leg is good.
Because we need to get the right balance of the meat and the fat.
And we marinate the meat with the calamansi, the soy, and the pepper, and we let it rest 15 minutes. For the liver, just we will put soya sauce and pepper, no calamansi. The step to follow for this Mexican and Filipino beautiful recipe.
For the first step, we will cut the vegetables same size like the meat and the liver. Then we will pan fry separately to make sure that it will be cooked properly. Remember that each vegetable take different time. And then after that, set aside because we will put it at almost the end of the process. And with the liver that we marinate with the soy sauce and pepper, we need to saute it separately with the onion and garlic. Saute it for around 5 minutes and make sure that it's still soft. Of course, we don't want the liver to be hard and chewy like a gum. It's a no-no. For the meat, we're going to, of course, saute it with onion, garlic, and the fresh tomatoes.
The soffritto, this Italian but even Filipino and Mexican version of it. That means you saute the garlic, the onion, and the tomato till they are soft and beautiful. After that, the main ingredient, the pork.
And we will add it to the pan together with our onion, garlic, and tomatoes. We saute it all together around 10 minutes.
After that,
we will add our tomato sauce with our tomato paste and cook it again around 15 minutes.
and don't forget to add a cup of water. Meat need to cook. That means 10 minutes before, 10 minutes after, but at the end of the day, need to be soft enough.
And when the pork is tender, that's the time we put our beautiful vegetables and then cook them all together so the flavor will be mixed together for around 10 minutes.
Another 10 minutes.
And then after that, we can add our liver and also our hot dogs, the green peas, and the raisin. It's like a Christmas tree all in one pot.
Welcome to Christmas. It's September, but welcome to Christmas. Of course, after that, make sure you cook it properly. We put medium heat for another 10-15 minutes, but you test, you check. When your meat is nice, tender, soft, and absorb all the flavor, it's fine, you know what I mean? Be careful to don't overcook your vegetable. That's it.
And also for the chili, it's always optional. So we always put 3 chilies.
And time to test this beautiful fiesta dish as usual. Remember, of course, every Filipino dish you're supposed to serve it with rice. We don't do it today, maybe tonight, but remember that. And make your own, guys. Always. Time to test. Look at that.
Actually, it's nice.
Just like this. Wow.
It's a fiesta. Enjoy that, guys. Very nice. Softly pork, a little bit fatty. Amazing flavor. The raisin, the sweety part, make the difference. Make your own, guys. Unbelievable. I love the fiesta. The cheesy hot dog are making the difference, guys. Buy the one. Very nice, guys.
For the marination of the pork, we need this beautiful calamansi, 2 tablespoons, and 1/4 cup of soy sauce.
1/4 cup.
1/4.
1/4.
Yeah, like half of the 1/4.
Half of the half.
Yeah. Half of the half. 1/4, like
This
1/4.
1/4 cup.
Correct.